Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your